Time is our most valuable resource. By analyzing time usage on a regular basis, it is possible to understand the most efficient ways to use time, both in and out of the workplace. People's attitude towards time are complex and variable. If you want to use your time efficiently to accomplish all that you need to do, at work and at home, you need to be aware of the current habits and attitudes that shape your use of time. Perceptions of time and its usage vary worldwide. Differences are often reflected in the average number of hours worked per day or week, the importance of punctuality, or time spent on leisure activities. Be prepared to adapt to others' practices and timetables when working abroad. Set aside time each day to review and prioritize demands on your time. Our attitudes to time are constantly changing. Many of these changes are due to the advent of new technology, which affects our work, travel, and communication. The internet, emails, and Wi-Fi facilities have made the exchange of information almost instantaneous. Travel, especially over long distances, has become faster and more affordable. The increase in options available has made it possible for us to do more in a day, but has also increased the pressure on our time. This makes it all the more important to use time in the most efficient and productive way. Take a small chunk of a difficult task and deal with it straight away. Everybody is increasingly aware of the cost of time. Individuals and departments are held accountable for the use of their time, goals are clearly defined through KRAs, and financial and other penalties are incurred for missed deadlines. Company culture can have important influence on how employees use their time. In too many organizations, working long hours is equated with working hard. If you leave on time, others may think you are not pulling your weight. In fact, long hours often decrease efficiency and productivity. Ways of using time becomes habitual. So it's necessary and important for you to make an initial investment of time to rethink and improve these habits. Your reward will be the ability to control your workload and have more time to focus on the most important aspects of your job. Use planning and delegation to minimize time wasting at every level.